This video I will explain how Google Pay verifies accounts. When you create or use Google Pay account, the app needs to make sure you are the real owner of your phone number and your bank account. This process is called verification. Verification is important because it keeps your money, payments and personal information safe. First, Google Pay verifies your mobile number. Google Pay uses your mobile number to identify your account. Here is how it checks it. When you sign in, you enter your mobile number. Google Pay sends a small SMS message from your phone to the bank. The bank checks whether this mobile number is linked to your bank account. If the number matches, verification is successful. This ensures that nobody else can use your Google Pay account with a different or fake number. Next, Google Pay verifies your device. Google Pay also verifies the phone you are using. This is called device verification. It checks things like, is the phone number registered on this device? Is the SIM card active? Is the phone secure and not modified in unsafe ways? This step helps prevent fraud done using stolen mobile numbers. Third one is Google Pay verifies your bank account. Once your number is verified, Google Pay asks you to select your bank name. Allow Google Pay to check your bank account details. Then Google Pay sends signal to your bank through UPI. The bank replies with your UPI ID, account number, and account name. This confirms that the bank account truly belongs to you. After this step, your UPI PIN setup begins. The UPI PIN is a secret number only you know, and it is required for every payment. Fourth one is Google Pay verifies your UPI PIN. When you create or enter your UPI PIN, Google Pay does not store it. Instead, the PIN is verified directly by your bank. This ensures only you can approve transactions. Payments are safe even if someone sees your Google Pay screen. If the PIN matches, your Google Pay account becomes fully active. Fifth one is ongoing verification for safety. Google Pay also performs regular background checks like checking if your SIM card has changed, checking your device is the same, confirming that your mobile number is still linked to your bank account. If something unusual is found, Google Pay may ask you to verify again for safety. Now we will see why all this verification is important. Google Pay verification protects you from fake accounts, wrong number payments, unauthorized access, fraud attempts, SIM swap scams. Only the real owner of the mobile number and the bank account can use Google Pay to make payments.